What is up? This is Politicking with Precious, your sister, your cousin, your neighbor, and your friend. Listen, have y'all seen the case of Robert Tellis? Tellis? However you pronounce his last name. Listen, it is wildly bizarre. Okay, let me inform you. Okay, Robert Tellis, he is a lawyer by trade, but he was the public admin in a city. And Cammy, if you don't shut the fuck up, I'm gonna beat your ass. Sorry about that, guys. But he was a public admin and he was causing all this ruckus in his office, bullying tactics. He was having an extramarital affair, and it was this guy, Robert Gearman, who was actually writing and exposing Robert Taylor's. Robert Thalus's ass decided to dress up like a Mexican construction worker and go in broad daylight and stab Mr. Gearman, fatally stabbed Mr. Gearman several times, and then walked out that door and it's a net. Listen, it was just a net. My dog is whining because she want to go outside with the other dogs, and she's in heat, so she ain't going nowhere. Somehow got a net in my motherfucking house. Listen. Anyway, Robert Taylor's wildly bizarre. Trial is going on right now. It would behoove you to go over there and check it out. We really have these type of people in the world. We really have people in place like lawyers and judges and police officers with fucking mental issues. Mental issues. This man, Robert Taylor's, is on the stand completely telling lies. Something that we have not seen in many, 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 many years is for somebody to take the stand in their own defense, and their lawyers don't question them, don't cross examine them, don't ask them any questions, nothing, because the lawyers don't want to incriminate themselves and go before the honorable court and lie because they know this man is lying. This man is on the stand saying, well, I don't know. I don't know how my DNA got there. I think somebody planted it there. They picked me and wanted to prosecute me because they had no one else in mind. Even though all of my coworkers are saying they believe it's me, even though people have identified me on video camera walking because I have a very distinct walk, because it looks like he used to be 1,000 pounds, but now he done lost a lot of weight, so he's kind of awkward, is what it's giving. So he has a very distinctive walk, and it's a very heavy footed walk, like he was heavy at one point in time. The Jaws is giving that as well. But that's not what we're here for. He also, the shoes that was used by the Mexican construction worker assassin, because Mr. Taylor think it was a professional assassin who did this in broad daylight and left all kind of traces and DNA evidence. Yeah. He's saying that all the evidence was planted against him. Even his own shoes was planted in his house. The shoes that the fatality happened in. So the DNA was planted. His own clothes was planted back in his house after they have his vehicle with him in it in the Mexican construction worker outfit. He's saying that the assassin bought the same car as him just so the assassin can frame him. Listen, you can't make this up. This is what a real lawyer passed the bar exam, a real lawyer is saying in a court of law. This man is nutty. Do you hear me? It's wildly bizarre. Wildly bizarre. The behavior analysis people is going nuts with this one. Okay. This man is so obviously guilty. It's absolutely ridiculous what he's doing on that stand. And to know that he has a law background, throw the whole motherfucking court system away. Who passed this motherfucker? Y'all don't have to take like psych exams or nothing to test the mental, like after, post the bar exam, pre bar examination. You shouldn't be able to take the bar if you got some serious mental issues going on. Just like a person can't buy a weapon if they got some serious mental issues going on. The people in public arenas dealing with the public with a source of some type of authority, i.e. police, i.e. firemen, i.e. lawyers, judges, doctors, and everybody else who's in that type of setting that could possibly have someone else's lives or livelihood at their fingertips. They need a mental evaluation, 3 of them preferably, by 3 different doctors. We need that. We need that. We need to restore some type of faith in the judicial system, because right now the American people don't have none. The Mexican people and everybody else who's crossing that border might have faith in us, but us here, we don't have faith. We don't have faith in you guys. We don't have faith in you guys. Nope. But you guys check out that case. It's so wildly bizarre that it's so interesting. It really is. Robert Thalis is a nut job, and he belongs to be in prison for the rest of his life. Period. And then after. Period. Because he's nuts. It's not even just him fatally stabbing somebody. It's not just that. It's what he's doing on the stand, guys, that makes him a lunatic. He's a lunatic. But anyway, this is Politicking with Precious, your sister, your cousin, your neighbor, and your friends. Y'all know what people say at the end of their videos. Like, comment, and subscribe. It don't cost you a thing to roll with me. Okay? I'll talk to y'all next time.